In today's video, I will be making a lamp from this Jack Daniel's bottle that I did not drink. So the plan is to drill a hole at the bottom of the bottle on the back side so I can put a cable through here. I will show you two types of electrical connection that I have. For drilling the holes, I will be using these glass drilling pieces. I will start with 4 and then go to 8, and I will do this underwater so the glass doesn't break. I know my hole is not in the center because my drill kept sliding. Probably I should have used some tape, but it's fine. It's in the backside anyway, so no one will see it. Only you guys. I will still be using the cap, so I will make a hole through this too. This is the first type of cable that I ordered on AliExpress for almost nothing, with a separate fitting that I will fix on the cap. This was a bitch to connect, but before doing that I have to put the nut and the cap on the wire. After I connected the wires, I fixed everything in place, put in a light bulb and done! Obviously, you can see the cable through the bottle, so you can leave it like this or just fill it with something.
Get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven.
Now I'll show you the second type of electrical connection. I already had two lamps made from a long time ago, but I didn't use the cap and I glue them instead. This one has two wires that have to be connected to the wires from the fitting, and I will do this with this white thing that I don't know the name of. Again, I will attach the cap of the bottle to the fitting first and then connect the wires. I already had some stones in this bottle, so I have to hide the cable again by shaking it a few times. I use these deco stones from Action, my local store here, and I will fill the bottle all the way up. These stickers are bothering me, so I will clean them. hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more DIYs, and leave a comment down below to share your opinion. Bye!